We have taken custody of the two CICL suspects, an alias Rod, 15 years old, also a student of the same school, and alias Nash, 14 years old, also of the same school. Initially, it appears that the motive of the crime is grudge for school bullying.
Yung mga suspects, sir, based dun sa initial investigation, I understand bago pa lang, di lang to nalinaw kanina ni Regional Director Capoy, pero may target daw ba sila? Nandun ba sa classroom na yun yung target supposedly ng mga suspects?
We're still verifying kung exactly the targets were in that classroom. But as I've said earlier, this could be connected to a bullying incident. Now, very important po dito yung sinabi natin na yung monitoring system ng student behavioral behavior, because upon verification of the social media account of one of the suspects, ay may nakita po tayong mga pinost na violent videos, mga pertaining to guns, video of him firing a gun. So ito ay very obviously red flags. So if you could, if the school authorities or anybody, we're not putting blame on anybody, but if anybody was able to monitor itong mga red flags na to, this could have been prevented. Titignan po natin lahat. We will look at all angles, all motive dito. Pero initially nga po, ang lumalabas is nabully po itong mga ano.
Kasi sir, may mga kumakalat na picture ngayon na yung suot nung 14-year-old, yung mas bata na shooter, ay katulad din ng suot nung mga namaril din sa mga eskwelahan sa ibang bansa. Na yung KMFD na t-shirt na ang ibig sabihin pala nun sa English ay no pity for the majority.
We are checking yung mga ano. This could be some of our students imitating yung nangyayari po sa ibang bansa, specifically sa United States, na alam naman po natin na marami na pong nangyaring ganito. So we're checking on that.